Welcome back to Raise Your Vibration. Today, we're diving into something we all deal with, protecting your energy from negativity. If you've ever felt drained after certain conversations or being in certain environments, this video is for you. I'll be sharing simple yet powerful ways to guard your energy, stay grounded, and keep your vibration high. Have you ever walked away from someone and just felt like you needed a nap? It's not just in your head, it's energy. Let's explore why this happens and what you can do to prevent it. First up, boundaries. Setting boundaries isn't just emotional, it's energetic. Here's a simple practice. Before heading into environments that feel heavy, visualize a bubble of white or golden light around you. This is your personal shield. Imagine it filtering out any negativity while allowing love and light to pass through. Remember, it's not rude to protect your peace. Think of this as wearing sunscreen. You're just keeping your energy safe. Next, let's talk visualization. One of my favorite techniques is the mirror technique. Imagine a large mirror facing outward from your heart, reflecting back any energy that doesn't serve you. This practice helps you stay open without absorbing the emotions of others. You can do this before meetings, social gatherings, or even phone calls. It only takes about 30 seconds, but it makes a world of difference. Grounding. When you feel overwhelmed, reconnect with the earth. One of the easiest ways is to step outside and place your bare feet on the ground for a few minutes. Imagine roots growing from the soles of your feet, anchoring you deeply to the earth. Grounding discharges excess energy and restores balance. If you can't go outside, simply hold on to a piece of natural material like a crystal or stone and focus on your breath. Protecting your energy isn't selfish, it's essential. By practicing these simple techniques, you create space for more peace and joy in your life. Let me know in the comments which tip resonated most with you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it. Until next time, keep your energy high and your light shining.